I am Dr. Shailesh Nisal, practicing plastic reconstructive and cosmetic surgery since the last more than 25 years. I was trained in the same from Mumbai and later on visited Australia and the United States to learn more tricks, gain more experience with various cosmetic surgical procedures. Now the precautions and related care that needs to be taken after rhinoplasty. At the end of the surgery, both your nostrils are packed. So that is to support the changed skeleton from inside. On the outside, there is a plaster slab or a nasal splint which supports it from outside. So when you come out of surgery, these are the two things that you have to be prepared about. Nasal packs and a splint or a plaster slab on the outside. You need to stay propped up or sitting because that reduces the edema substantially. If you lie down flat, by gravity, there is excess swelling there, which makes you uncomfortable. The most important thing that happens is the change in the skeleton needs to consolidate in the same position as is done on the operation table. For that, all injuries have to be avoided. All untoward pressure on the nose has to be avoided. You can't give any pressure on the nose. So we tell those people that for 6 weeks, they should not be running. They should not be going in crowded places. After a rhinoplasty, if you fall on your nose, it can change the picture altogether. We have seen once in a while patients who undergo a rhinoplasty, then get into outdoor sports which can cause an injury without they doing anything, and then the result is so poor that they look worse than what they used to look before. So outdoor sports have to be avoided for 3 months after a rhinoplasty.